So in case you're wondering where these rear bumps go, they go on the frame, and that is them right there, right above the axle. And what they're supposed to do is if you hit a bump really bad, the rear axle comes up and that gives it a little bit of a cushion. And it doesn't just bottom out, it has a little rubber bump stop. So I'm gonna go down there underneath the truck and we're gonna replace that on both of these on both sides, because this one fell off and I found the other one's completely missing. All right, well, we've slid up underneath the truck, and that's one bump stop right there. It looks like probably a 13 millimeter to take down. I sure hope there's a capture nut or something back there. It feels like maybe, but I may have to go get a backup wrench. And then, so that's one, and the other one is right there, kind of in the dark. Right there, that's the other one. So you can kind of see. But the fact that they put this hole here kind of leads me to believe that the nut on the back side is going to turn, because they gave me access to it right there. So we'll work on it and see what we can do. Okay, so we're going to call this 13 millimeter, and we're going to see if it turns. Turns really easy. The question is it turning inside there too? Nope, it's not. So they do have something on that back end of it. Sounds like cleaning bells, doesn't it? Absolutely perfect. So it has these two ears that go in there, and the new ones, that's gonna be a problem, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna have to go get an extension. Great. And something, because okay, so I ended up having to, because the taking them off was easy. I just did it with the ratchet and the socket, but I have to get an extension, a short extension, because the axle's in the way. So the extension and the socket is just perfect, and I can be able to run that up in there. Making sure I put these two ears right here. There's a spot for them to go in the frame so this doesn't spin. So I kind of thought of everything. Nice. Those two things go just like that. Wow. That is a tight fit. Okay, where's my ratchet? Doesn't want to cooperate and go in. And there we go, there's that one. All right. What, 4 fingers worth of clearance? I guess that's plenty. I've never done anything with these old factory shocks or springs. 200,000 miles. Might be about time. Okay. Well, and that's that video. Got the bump stops replaced. Okay, like and subscribe if you like what you see. Let me know if there's anything I could have done a little different. Maybe I could have jacked up the truck. That might have helped give me a little more clearance in here. That probably would have been a definite benefit in hindsight, but you can get it done without doing that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Everybody have a great day.